Welcome to DevKit Weekly. This week we're going to be reviewing the ISP1907-LL-EB evaluation board from Inside SiP. Late last year we reviewed a Bluetooth 5 kit, and I ventured that it would be the first of many here on DevKit Weekly, and guess what? I was right. SiP stands for System in Package, and the ISP1907-LL-EB evaluation board is designed around the ISP1907 series Bluetooth 5 SiP. That's here on the module. At the heart of the SiP is Nordic Semiconductors NRF2811 wireless SoC that contains a 32-bit ARM Cortex-M 4 CPU, 192 kilobytes of flash, and an additional 24 kilobytes of SRAM, which enable it to run a single-mode Bluetooth 5.1 long-range and direction-finding stack, as well as potentially Thread, Zigbee, ANT+ stacks, and a variety of other proprietary protocols that can be run in multi-protocol wireless setups. The Nordic chip also contains a DC to DC buck converter, ultra-low power 32 kilohertz crystal oscillators, and most importantly, a 2.4 gigahertz transceiver. Alongside that device, the impedance matching specialists at Inside SiP integrate an antenna into a tiny 8mm by 8mm by 1mm package. Analog and digital IOs from the SiP are brought out onto the larger module, which can be powered by a coin cell for several years, thanks to the SiP's +4 dBm output power and advanced power management capabilities. In the evaluation kit, this module is supported by this test board, which is built around an Atmel SAM MCU, a Sager J-Link OB onboard debug probe, USB mini connector, which you can see here, an array of jumpers that let you test the wireless system under various conditions, and also flash the ISP1907 SiP with stacks that are compliant with the S112 soft device spec. You even get a couple of test cables and this small form factor circular NFC antenna from Taoglass for shorter range evaluations. In short, the ISP1907-LL-EB evaluation board is really a great place to start if you're building a connected system that requires super duper low power, but more range than you'd normally get from traditional Bluetooth specifications and technology. Remember, with Bluetooth 5, you can get 300 or 400 meters of range, but that's line of sight, of course. If you'd like to get started with the most current generation of Bluetooth technology, you can purchase the ISP1907-LL-EB from the Inside SiP website for $184.84. Or you could enter this week's raffle and maybe you'll win this one for free. Thanks for watching this week's DevKit Weekly. We'll see you next week. Huh?